Okay, guys, we are on this bus. We are about to go to the Busch Gardens in Victoria, British Columbia. So, see you now. Bye. We are here at the Botanical Garden. It is absolutely gorgeous. Did you see all of those beautiful flowers?
And I want to say, here's the beautiful book.
Thank you. Thank you. All this beauty. All this beauty. Look at all this beauty. This is an absolutely stunning botanical garden. So far, this is the best botanical garden I have been in.
This is the Classic Book Festival, and they do it every year on Labor Day weekend. It's an incredible show. Some beautiful books down there.